Hi Ben. Well, let's start at what's happening the other side of the Atlantic because, of course, Hurricane Ian has exited away from the coast of Florida, but we haven't seen the back of this storm yet because it's actually re-intensified over the warm waters of the Atlantic and it's pushing its way northwards now towards the coast of South Carolina, where it will make landfall over the next 24 hours. So that is going to bring a significant storm surge there, as well as those damaging winds of around 85 miles per hour and also flooding rainfall up to about 300 millimetres, and quite widely around parts of the eastern United States we're likely to see some very heavy rain over the next few days. So lots of flooding around there. Here, the other side of the Atlantic, things are a bit quieter, but we've got our own share of wet and windy autumnal weather out there today. Really through the rest of the day there's a band of heavy rain which is moving its way eastwards, followed by a scattering of showers and really quite strong and blustery winds you'll notice out there too. So that's driven in by a deep area of low pressure to the north of the UK, which is driving these weather fronts from west to east. But of course many areas, particularly across England and Wales, still in drought, still some very low reservoir levels. So if we look at how much rain is going to accumulate through today, between about 5 to 40 millimetres. So it is welcome rainfall. September, in fact, turning out to be a wetter than average month for the first time actually since February. So through the rest of the day, we've got this band of heavy rain and quite squally winds associated with that, pushing into East Anglia in the southeast, clearing away from Northern Ireland and Scotland, but gusts of wind 30 to 40 miles per hour for many of us, but a bit stronger than that around exposed coasts and hills. So it is feeling windy, temperatures between about 12 to 17 degrees, but feeling cooler where you're exposed to those brisk winds with that rainfall around too. Now into the evening hours, the rain lingering longest in the far southeast, eventually clearing away the east coast, and then we're in clearer skies tonight. Still some blustery showers working in from the north and the west, but enough of a breeze to keep things frost-free. So not as cold as last night, but many of us, in fact, seeing temperatures staying in double figures through the night. Now tomorrow then will be a quieter day than today. We've lost the heavy rain, so sunny spells, still a few scattered showers, most in the north and the west, just one or two reaching the south and the east on Saturday afternoon, and top temperatures between around about 13 to perhaps 18 degrees. Then overnight into Sunday, we've got this waving weather front, bit of uncertainty, but it does look like it could be producing some outbreaks of rain for the London Marathon. So if you're running in the marathon, you might want to prepare for a few showers, and if you're spectating, I want to bring a brolly around. So we have got some wet weather likely across parts of southern England and South Wales. Looks like, though, the rest of the UK should see some sunshine. Ben.